What's up, foodie fam? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are at DQ. If you could take a moment, please like, share, and subscribe. We got the new playlist. Still trying to figure out the name for all the national brands. We'll get there. So if you're here for the local stuff, there is a playlist called 100 Restaurants in 100 Days. And then eventually that's going to turn into a playlist called Local Love. So today I'm going to give DQ another shot. We tried the piñata one, and it had some areas of opportunity, I guess is the best way of saying it. Also, you could probably still hear Lola again. We were eating somewhere else earlier, so I was like, you want to go for another car ride? She's like, yeah, let's go for another car ride. So I said, go to DQ. So this is their drumstick. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's all kind of melty. It literally only took me like 2 seconds to go from the drive-through to his parking spot. But I mean, who doesn't love drumsticks? Look at that. Let's see if we can get the, oh, it's got the word Blizzard right there. There we go. Look at that. I'm gonna take a quick little bite. DQ, that's more like it. Yeah. Oh. You can actually taste the chocolate covered cone part. Also, the peanuts are in there too. I was hoping to get like a big chunk to show you guys, but this is the small. I don't know how much this was. I keep my receipts here. This was $3.69. Not bad. Not bad. Oh. It's got like chocolate covered cone part. I like melty ice cream anyways. I'm the kind of person that when it melts on the on the sides, that's where I live. I don't even need this. You guys know what happened last time. I was like, I never tried DQ. Let me get something to eat just in case. So I got 2 items off of their 2 for $4 menu. Just in case this wasn't up to par, but DQ redeeming themselves this time around. There's a little chunk right there. You can see the peanuts too up here. That's the chocolate covered cone part. They should do this with like everything. All right, I wanted to, last time I think I got the chili dog, definitely saved. By the way, I don't know if every single DQ is a little different, but I could have sworn that the last DQ video we did, it was a chili cheese dog. But when I ordered it here, she's like, it doesn't come with cheese on the 2 for $4 menu. I said, okay, I'll play by the rules. I don't know. Ooh, like a spicy jalapeno. For that dip. Here we go. Ooh, these are piping hot. Down the hatch. The quesito. $2. Yeah. Again, you only got 4 pesos in your wallet or your purse. 2 for $4. Again, I don't know if every DQ is different. I'm at the one in Cranston right now. The previous one with the piñata, the party piñata blizzard, that one was the one in Attleboro. Oh, I love when it gets, what's the best word? Soupy. Then it turns into like a little milkshake. Milkshake all day. So I don't know if the different rules apply, but all right, let's see if the chili cheese dog, since they're all a little different, they're the same, but they're different. This one come with no chisel. I'm about to add some of that quesito on here. I'll try it without. I never had just a chili dog. Why don't you put cheese on it? Again, you have to put it into the context that it's 2 for $4. You can't judge an animal by its ability to climb a tree. I love that quote. I don't know if Einstein said that. You can't judge a monkey the same as you would a fish for its intelligence by its ability to climb a tree. That's not fair. So you have to put things into context. So I'm going to do my own little test here. Down the hatch. Oh my God, it's so hot. Three times better. This is the combo you guys want to get. That burger, that I remember I was choking on the mustard last time. Get the pretzels with the, it's so automatic to say chili cheese dog. With the chili dog, and then make sure you save some of the quesito for the doguito. These are like glistening. I wonder where they put like they spray water on them or something? I don't know. If you're able to order an extra sauce, I would, because you're definitely gonna want it for the perrito. Should got soda. But this, guys, I like. This is so much better than the piñata one. But then again, I can't say that because I just got a big chunk. Ooh, extra chocolate. There it is. But I can't say that because, again, some places might make it better than others. That's the thing with franchises sometimes is, you know, they're going to use the same ingredients, but it's in how they're prepared and how much love the person putting it together has given it, you know. And it's a tough job. I worked fast food. That was I think that was my first job. Way back in California. I worked for a place called Carl's Jr. Way back. Literally got my worker's permit. I need a JOB, son. Gotta start saving them ducats, the pesitos. Because even as a young kid, I loved food, and I was like, I can't buy my favorite type of chips without cash money. So I got a job, and you know, you can buy whatever you want. But Carl's Jr., you know, I've eaten at a couple of Carl's Jr.'s, and in some parts of the countries, I think they're called, not Checkers, Carl's Jr. and Rallies? No, not Rallies. There's a name. I forget the name, but it's the same brand. It's just they have different names for different parts of the country. Hardee's. Got it. So Hardee's and Carl's Jr., same company, just named differently. It's so bizarre, but I'm sure there's a strategy to it. Some suits somewhere in some corporate building decided that. And, you know, you would travel and you're like, oh my God, I know exactly what this tastes like here. And sometimes home run, sometimes you're like, something's off. They forgot to put the right amount of mayo, or they forgot to You know, put that extra pickle. Anything a little different mixes up the whole chemistry. You can't really see it but I like, oh, look at that. They all sank to the bottom. Look at that. Look at all those, can you really see that though? See all that dark? That's all the chips. That's all the drumstick cone chocolate covered chunks. By the way, this is a perfect size. I don't know why you would need anything bigger than that. Lupe, don't judge me. All right. You want to get the large? Get the large. All right, we'll finish this off. We'll finish off this. We only have enough quesito for one, so it's going to go to the chili dog. And then we'll do post-meal Q&A. Oh. Woo. We've had a lot of hot dogs today. A lot of wieners. What's for dinner? I don't know. Let's get sausages. Let's just finish off some sort of sausage in a bun. It's that day. Sun's out, bun's out. Lola's gonna absolutely kill me today too. She's like, if you eat one more hot dog or something, I'm gonna murder you in your sleep. Okay, post-meal Q&A. Let's get into it. I was a little hangry earlier, and then I got a little hangrier after I ate, but now I'm starting to mellow out again. I'm developing hangriness, guys. That was never my thing. I used to make fun of people that had hangry issues. And now I have developed that disease. At least a mild case of it. Hopefully it's temporary. Okay. Lola panting because she wants some. You want some queso? I love when she stops panting. All right, have you ever won a trophy or medal? See, guys, this is why we need the app. I literally answered that in the previous video when we were at New York System. Okay, we'll grab another stack. I'm gonna have to come up with a new method here. I thought putting in 200 in there instead of 100 would help. What is the most embarrassing moment in your life? Did we talk about this already? Most embarrassing moment of my life. I think I told this story. It had to do with the cup of noodles with the after school program and getting uppercutted. If you guys want to see that, go watch the. I think it was in the 10 tacos in 10 minutes video challenge. Go watch that video in our playlist. I explain in detail what happened there. Okay. Would you rather be an apple or an orange? Orange all day. Would you like apple juice or orange juice? Orange juice. Would you like a fresh squeezed orange or a fresh squeezed apple? Orange. Would you like an apple margarita or an orange margarita? Orange. What's juicier? Orange. What's sweeter? Orange. Don't get me wrong, I love my apples. I love apple picking. I love apple cider. I love apple syrup. I love apples. But the question was apples or oranges? Oranges all day. What is the funniest moment of your life? Oh, funniest moment of my life. It's like too hot to think right now. It's so humid outside. The funniest moment. The thing about these questions too, guys, is that I literally, as I'm driving home, I go, should have told that story. Should have told that story. Because these are very like on the spot type of questions. And What's the funniest moment of my life? I don't know if this story is going to make any sense, but so in the YMCA, we used to go away during the summers, and we go to this camp. And if you guys know, YMCA has a small twist of religion to it, but it's not overly religious. So we went to the YMCA, and I got used to get these scarves. These scarves represented like how long you've been there, if you're like a leader in training, counselor in training, things like that. So I got inducted into, I forget what color it was. I think white is probably you start off as white and then you get orange, and it's kind of like karate. You get the different colored belts. So we're at camp one time, and we're doing every single night. We would do like a campfire type of thing where the whole camp. Lola, you okay? You okay, Mama? All right. There's no more hot dogs. No more hot dogs. So we would sit around the campfire and we would do skits and plays and be very interactive. It'd be the last thing we all did at night. And there was this one thing where it was part of the act where to be in it, they would just tell you one thing to do, but it actually meant something else when you were on stage, right? So I'll give you an example. I'll give you my example. They just act crazy. So and they're like, act like a monkey. That's what it was. Act like a crazy monkey. So I went in there just monkeying it up. I hopped over the chair, and I must have just millimeter clipped it, but enough where I clipped it and then just tumbled all over the stage. And when I tumbled, I must have kicked the chair up, because I remember seeing the chair go up and then like land on me. And then the whole place just erupted in this huge laughter. I mean, I nailed it. I don't know. I forget what I was supposed to be actually that was explained to the audience. But it was embarrassing, especially at that age when you're like, what was I, 12, 13, 14. You know, everyone's trying to be cool. And that happened. That was super embarrassing. But from embarrassment, if you put yourself out there, there might be a life lesson in this. If you put yourself out there, I met a lot of cool people that weren't really because the camps are so huge, you can't meet everybody. But they're like, oh, that was so funny, da, da, da. And then you meet, and then you start hanging out with new groups of friends, and it was cool. So from embarrassment might come some friendships and some fun times. All right. So that's my story. That was embarrassing. I'm like getting embarrassed just thinking about it. All right. Are we answered that question? All right. What was the craziest thing? We answered that one already. Oh my God. I'm going to start throwing them out. But I keep these in case we get like a special guest, guys, that you guys might want to see the same question. Mix match socks. We did that too. I mix match my socks all the time. Sometimes on purpose. Makes me feel like a little rebel. All right. What task or chore is your least favorite? My least favorite is, and it sucks too, right? Because your least favorite can be the one that you're really good at. Dishes, I hate doing dishes. I'm good at them. Squeaky clean. But I hate doing them. Also, I think I like doing laundry. I just hate the process of having to fold it after. If I could just do the first half of laundry, separating, throwing them in the wash, I'll put them in the dryer. Clean off the lint trap thing, stick it back in, a couple of dryer sheets, ship it. It's the when it's over, you're like, then you gotta get this whole thing, and then now you have like a clean pile of clothes. And now they're all wrinkly, so you're like, I gotta put them back in the dryer, except for things that don't really matter, like socks and underwear. But so I would say that would probably be it. All right, bonus one, and then I'll let you guys go because it's a beautiful day. It's a little humid. What is your favorite time of year and why? Fall. Easy. Fall is my absolute favorite. Winter, summer is a little too extreme for me sometimes. Summer is great, but when the humidity, that's why I don't know if I could ever live in the South during the summer. I'll come visit, but I don't know if I can live there. Because during the humid summers that we have here in Rhode Island, and we have brutal winters, we have like the extreme of both. And, you know, some days you have to take 2 showers. There was a couple of times I had to take 3 showers. That's how bad it was. But I, you know, maybe if I ever end up doing kind of RV life for a little bit, maybe there's a way to kind of travel around the U.S. where in the South you're there during the winter, and then during the summer you're in the North. So you always have a somewhat mild climate year round. So maybe that's the goal. Maybe in December I'll see you guys down in Florida. January, February, ship it over to like Louisiana, Texas, and then once it gets really hot down there, then I'm making my way up through PCH, and then during the summers I'm up there in northern U.S., maybe the Midwest, and I'll try to learn all the different seasons. There's like tornadoes and hail season. Stay away from those areas. But until then, guys, I'm gonna let you go. This Dairy Queen, you have no idea how much this saved you with me. So this gives me hope for some of your newer flavors that come out. Drumstick, 10,000. Again, I can't see. It's tough. Again, Lupe, you're going in circles. Stop doing this. You do this circle thing. But it's true. Some places, like if I would have had the Piñata Blizzard somewhere else, it might have been really good. So, but again, I'm a type of person that loves to give a bunch of chances. I'm just a softie that way. So that's why I'm even doing this video with DQ. And I'm glad I did. I love drumsticks. Who doesn't love drumsticks? If someone in your life doesn't love drumsticks, I don't know if you need that negativity in your life. But that's just me. Even people that are lactose intolerant love drumsticks. Peanuts, chocolate, ice cream. Come on. So that's my cue. I gotta go. Okay, guys, I love you. We're still trying to come up with the name for the playlist, but until next time, eat well, be well, and take care of each other.